In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Firstly, open up your Discord application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on this icon. From here, you'll need to head over to account. Here you'll see an option for two-factor authentication. Tap on enable two-factor auth. Next, you'll need to enter the password of your Discord and then tap OK. Here you'll need the Authenticator app. You can either download the Authy or the Google Authenticator. I'm going to use the Google Authenticator. Tap on either of these and it will take you to the area to download it. Tap on install. Now here you'll see a similar interface. You can either choose the two-factor authentication of the scan by using the scan of a QR code, or you can also enter a setup key. I'm going to use the setup key. Tap on here. Firstly, now you need to enter the account name of your Discord. Next, you'll need to enter the key. To get this key, head back to the Discord. Here you can see the 2FA code. You can copy this code and then paste it in the Authenticator app. After that's done, you can tap on add and tap on add account. Now you could see a code here. You need to copy the code to the Discord.